guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Thanks for tuning in. If it's your first time coming across my channel, my name is KAWA. Feel free to join this amazing family by hitting the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a video. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this crochet boss braid wig. So yes, guys, that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's get right into the video. So firstly, what I have here, I have my net. It's a cap net, I can call it, and I have my hair also. This hair is DIY. I'm the one that make this hair with an expression. If you have not checked that video out, I'm going to be linking it in the description box. Feel free to check it out. Okay, so I have my crochet pin with me, so I'm just going ahead and take one more pieces out of the hair and just crochet it on my cap. Okay, that is what I'm going to be doing. Firstly, I'm just going to start on the line. I have to maintain the line. The front line is very important, so I'm going to maintain the front line on the cap while crocheting the hair on it. So I'm going to maintain that front line so that I can give you that nice shape you want. Okay, so that is basically what I'm doing. So I'm still just trying to make the crochet look neat at the front. It's very important that you make the crochet neat at the front. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do around the cap. Okay, I'm going to just maintain that line round before ever filling the inside. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm still showing you one more time before I go ahead and just fast forward it so that this video will not be too long. So yeah. So as you can see, guys, I'm just still maintaining the line, okay, because you want it to be neat like this after you have finished it. Okay, so that is why that maintaining of the line at the front side is very important. So this is what I'm talking about. You see the way the front is so neat, the way I arrange it. So that is what we are looking for. All right, so I'm not going to be talking. I'm done rounding the cap. I'm just going to leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. You can see it, guys. I just round it back and I maintain the line. Okay, round. So it's time for me to just fill inside. Okay, you don't need inside to be too full, just counting it inside, because you don't want this cap to be too heavy, or you know, you want it light and nice. So just give a space when you are filling it. Okay, just like the way I'm doing it right now, I'm just giving a space. The most important thing inside is the front. You have to fill the front nicely. So after, the inside is not that very important. Okay, so the way I'm doing it, I'm just giving a gap and just to fill inside. Okay, as you can see it, guys, this is it. It's very easy to do. It's a quick wig, guys. Less than 30 minutes you are done with your cap. Okay, so that is it. I'm just going to continue the same process until I'm done filling inside. So this is it after I've finished filling what I have to fill inside, because I don't want this cap to be heavy, so I don't want this cap to be that full either. So I just fill in what I have to fill in, and I'm just going ahead to pack it to my taste. Okay, you can put the packing on the middle. You can as well leave it a bit at the back. Just like me, I leave it a bit at the back because I like this kind of packing. Okay, so I'm just going to grab my scissors and just remove the unwanted one, just trim it a bit. Okay, if you understand what I mean. So I'm just going to remove the unwanted one from the tip, and after we are done. Okay, so that is it for this cap, guys. You see how quick and easy it is. Yes, so I'll be going ahead to try it on my head so you guys can see it, how it looks. Okay, so yes, guys, this is the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Please share my video, guys. Always share my videos, okay, with your loved ones, with your friends, okay, with your family. Thank you so much for watching, and till I come your way next time, stay blessed and bye bye. I love you guys.